You're bidding on a Leslie steam heater generator. I have individual shots. This says international steam rating 150 PSIG, capacity 30 gallons a minute. I've got individual shots on these. This is what it is. This is new. This came out of a military warehouse. Pretty nice brass pipes here with the couplings, and that's part of it. Here's these. A valve. Chambers. This was in a wooden box. If you're looking at it, I'm sure you know a lot more about it than I do. Very expensive item. Costs the government a bunch of money. Comes with these controls here, 115 volts, 60 hertz input. With this. Pretty nice. Got any questions, you can call us. Here's the box that it comes in. This crate looks like it's about 30 inches by 30 by 36 by about 40. We have 2 of these for sale. Good luck bidding.